Let us get moving.
Nothing can go wrong today.
Stop on this. Let us get moving.
I meant to do that.
Smooth start.
I like desert drives.
Just do not wander off again.
I will be quick.
Stay where I can see you. This is not a good idea.
Just 1 second more.
Fuzzy? Fuzzy, where are you? This is bad.
You would not come.
It's just, I was always coming for you.
I got scared.
I will not wander off again.
Next time, I stay in the truck.
That sounds like a good plan. We know what? We should have found him by now.
Maybe he wandered off again.
He promised he would wait.
He always does this.
Wait, did you see that? Something moved!
This desert feels endless. Stay close to me.
It's okay. We'll figure it out.
It's okay. We'll figure it out.
That's not the wind.
That's him!
Next delivery, we bring snacks and a compass. Deal!
I thought I was alone forever. You're not alone anymore. Tea makes everything better.
Next time, no wandering off.
Promise. We always look out for each other. Bye! Bye-bye! Take care!